So, is collaborative a good fit for you? There are four things that I like people to look at when deciding whether or not this is going to be a good fit. Number one is goals. Instead of looking at which party has the better legal position that will win in court, you're looking at the goals of both parties. I want to emphasize that this is not done in any other dispute resolution process. The very first thing that you do in collaborative is have a commencement meeting where you sit down and figure out each person's goals. These could be process related, children related, financial, or relational. Basically, anything that you want to come up with. You find out whether these goals are shared. Usually, there are many shared goals, and that really grounds the process and sets a great tone for how this case is going to be moving forward. Then, if you get stuck, you can always come back and look at those goals and figure out where to go from there. Second thing is that it's going to be a team approach. So you determine who's going to be on your team to reach your goals. And this could be a child specialist to help develop a parenting plan, a divorce financial analyst to help gather financial data, look at spreadsheets, maybe a budget, look at taxes, even do some financial planning. Another team member could be a mortgage broker to help determine whether or not you're going to qualify for a new home or a refinance. A team member could also be a realtor conducting a market analysis or even a divorce coach to help regulate emotions during the process. Third thing that I tell people to look at is control. You and your spouse control the process in a collaborative divorce. This means who's going to be on your team and determining the outcome versus having a third party like a judge make the decision for you. You don't have to be on the same page regarding terms, but you have to have a willingness to listen to the other side and to work together to resolve your differences. Third, or I should say fourth and last, there has to be trust. And when I don't mean trust in your spouse, I mean trust in the process, trust in the other side. From my perspective, this is huge. I know that both sides are willing to work together to develop a plan looking at the goals and the best interests of the family. So these are just a few things that set collaborative apart, and you can determine whether or not this might be a right fit for you. Thanks for listening, and go ahead and look at some of the other videos and facts on this page.